Welcome to Biomedical Job Updates Worldwide. Reputed healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections India post their hiring is for service engineer. Products are related with ultrasound. Location is at Mumbai. Experienced must be within 5 years in service. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. Healthcare client of Prima Donna Human Connections post is for sales engineer. Products is medical devices. Location is at Pune. Experience must be within 4 years in the sales. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. Novel patent services. Location is at Andhra Pradesh. Job type is full time. Requirements must be experience of 1 year. Qualification must be MTech, ME or Masters in Biomedical Engineering or Biotechnology. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Ababil Healthcare Private Limited. Role is Biomedical Service and Sales Engineer. Location is at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Salary is 20,000 to 50,000 per month. Contact the person and send your resume to the given number. JSW Multi Speciality Hospital. Location is at Karnataka. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacancy hold is for 1. Experience must be within 1 year. Freshers are also eligible for this role. Contact the person for the further application. MECCOM Services Private Limited. Post is for Biomedical Engineer. Location is at Hyderabad. Qualification must be diploma or degree in the relevant field. Experience must be within 2 years. Contact the number for further details and send your resume to the given mail ID. Profound Meditech. Post is Sales Engineer. Number of posts is for 1 at the Chennai location. Products related with our medical devices. Qualification must be BE, BTech in Biomedical Instrumentation or any of the degree. Experience must be within 1 year. Share your resume to the given mail. CareMed. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be more than 3 years. Location is at Chennai. Immediate hiring is going on. Contact the number for further details and send your resume for further application. ITSA Hospital. Post is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Products related with are all type of medical equipments. Location is at Raipur. Qualification must be BE, BTech or Diploma in Biomedical Instrumentation or Electronics. Experience must be within 2 years. For freshers, there will be 6-month internship. SL Raheja Hospital. Position is Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 1 year. Qualification must be diploma or any degree in Biomedical Engineering. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. Hexa Healthcare. Location is at Kanyakumari. Designation is Sales Coordinator. Products are all critical care and radiology related. Educational qualification BE Biomedical or any of the degree related with the field. Salary must be optional. Freshers or 1 year. Hexa Healthcare. Location is at Kanyakumari. Designation is Field Sales and Service Engineer. Products is critical care and radiology products. Educational qualification must be PE Biomedical Engineer. Experience must be within 1 year. Contact the person for further details and send your resume. VM Meditech Private Limited. Location is at Chennai, Trichy, Coimbatore, Pondi, Madurai and Salem. Designation is for Sales Engineer, Senior Sales Engineer and Service Engineer. Brand and products related are radiology and critical care. Educational qualification is for any degree. Panimalar Medical College Hospital. Post is Senior Biomedical Engineer and Junior Biomedical Engineer. Products are related with all type of medical equipments. Experience must be within 3 years. Qualification must be BE degree. Send your resume to the given mail ID. AH System. Location is at Bangalore. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer. Working location and the specification are female preferred more. Experience must be within 1 year. Send your resume to the given number and contact them for further details. ZL Medi Solutions Private Limited. Location is at Chennai. Designation is for Director. Products are Vino Ultrasound. Number of vacancy hold is for 2. Experience must be within 1 year. Contact the person and send your resume to the given mail ID. TriMed Solution. Location is at Mumbai. Designation is Junior Biomedical Engineer, Senior Biomedical Engineer. Number of vacancy hold is for 10. Educational qualification must be Diploma, B.Tech or M.Tech in Biomedical, EEE or ECE. Send your resume to the given mail ID. Thank you. Stay tuned for further updates.